Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I was contacted by Ali from Sakers and she wanted me to try one of her new kitchen gadgets, and here I am. I already took the cover because I didn't want to show address, but there's you guys know that I have a small kitchen and I used to have a kitchen dish rag which it goes over the counter, and it was tall and I didn't like it because it was just like a sore thumb. So she sent me a dish rag. There is to a dish rag. You could put it on the side of your kitchen sink. It's expandable and the water goes in the sink without damaging anything in your counter. So yeah, and also it says that it's very easy to install, and every time that I have to install something I have to have the help of my husband. My husband is at work, so let's give this a try. If I could do this, so can you guys. So okay, this is what it looks like in the box. So little gadgets for the side, spoons and knives and all the other stuff. This gotta be for you drinking glass. See, it's already easy to know. This I still don't know what it is for, so I will figure this one out. So let's look at the instruction, which they're right here. This is to protect the stuff to move around, so that was good. This is what it looks like. Okay. Oh, it also brings this. Okay. So, this. Okay. Instructions. It looks very simple, guys. Very simple. Okay, let's see. Okay, it looks like that. Okay, that. Okay, this is this is everything that it brings. I caught it in midair. This is everything that it brings. So it seems simple enough that I could put together. So guys, let's go to the kitchen. I dropped the piece, which I have to figure it out where it goes now, which I will figure. Oh, I could already see it. It goes right in here. I want to thank Ali for always considering my channel. This is not the first time that I collaborate with her. And guys, I'm still using the items that I have used from her business. And let me tell you, it does not disappoint me. I still have, I have done 3. And I like them. I like them. Especially, I've been using the board, the cutting board every day because I cook every day. But anyways, I will link all those videos in the description box so you guys can go and check it out. Let's see how long it's going to take me to put this together. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. All right, let's go to the kitchen. You guys can see from here my tiny little kitchen. So I already have a spot where I'm going to put this right here. We put this stuff here. I'm doing it with you guys here so you guys see how easy this is to put together. Oh, okay. It is simple to attach the legs. This is to give a height, I believe. This is the thing that goes towards your sink. Okay, what else? Okay, I have this little thingies here. Okay. Okay. Let me look at this photo again. Okay, go through here. Oh, that's okay. There. This is simple, guys. Look. Very, very simple. See? Then you have this. This is plastic to protect your counter surface. Okay. All right. So okay. Okay. Okay, I don't need this one. Here are this little thing. Let's see where this little thing goes. Oh, okay. One goes through the top and the other one goes through the bottom. Wow. Guys, even a child can put this together. Simple. Okay. What I do with all this stuff? Oh. You could put this here. Oh, and also what I like about this is, you see the drain from when you add your utensils. You know how your utensils drip the water? It comes through the bottom. So that is a plus. Like that, it doesn't become slimy. So it's good. Then you can put this here. There. Wow, how long that took me, guys? How long it took me to put it together? Let's see. So to drain here, that's a plug there. So in this, you could slide it right there over your sink. And this plug, you just remove it. So how simple that was? That was extremely easy. Let's see, keep an eye. Can you guys see the drain? The drain is right here. Look at that. That was nice. Now, what I'm going to look is, see if any of the water, no. My counter is dry, guys. So this doesn't leak. Now, the thing to me is, can I take that section there for when I have to wash this thing? because when you use a lot of plastic, the water accumulate and things get slimy. So let's see. Oh, this is a snap on and off. So guys, oh, this is so easy and so good. I like this. I like this a lot. And when I'm done using it, I could dry my kitchen at the end of the night, clean my counters, move it. The other one that I have, guys, you guys remember, it was really, really tall and wide, and it stick out all the way out here. I had to do dishes back the way. And guys, this is so good. And like I say, if you have a small kitchen like I do, that I have a tiny kitchen, this is perfect for you. Look at this. You have all this space for this. I want to thank Ali. I truly appreciate this. And this is something that I'm going to be utilizing for quite a while. And it is like, it's covered so that it's not gonna rust on you. So this is, and it's good metal, guys. You could tell it's very good metal. And it goes with part of my kitchen. It's black. I love it. I love it. I love it. Ali, thank you. I truly appreciate it. Guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and I do too. I'm going to leave a link to this product in the description box below. All right, guys. Bye. Thank you, Ali.